Saga Cruises Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Saga Cruises caters primarily to travelers over 50, but most people get this wrong. They assume the prices are high without added value. The surprising truth is that Saga focuses on all-inclusive pricing that covers dining, entertainment, and even some shore excursions. Prices vary by itinerary and cabin type. An inside cabin might start around per night, while a balcony cabin can cost or more per night. You won't believe how much is included. Gourmet meals, live shows, fitness classes, and evening entertainment are part of the package. Optional extras like specialty dining, premium drinks, and spa services are available, but not mandatory. Most people get this wrong by comparing Saga directly to mainstream cruises. They offer curated experiences, smaller ship sizes, and personalized service that adds real value. In conclusion, Saga Cruises pricing reflects the all-inclusive experience and tailored service. By understanding cabin options, inclusions, and optional extras, you go from zero to pro in choosing a cruise that maximizes comfort, entertainment, and value for your money.